Okay, wonderful. So let's do this question. So 33.9 is equal to 113% of some number. What is the number? Wonderful. So let's do this one also with our double number line. So I'm going to write it here. Wonderful. So I'm going to put here 0%. Oops. Here's 100%. But what happens? I have 113%, which means that this 33.9 is more than the whole. How do I know that? Because this number line continues to go up. And I know that around here, I have 113%, because 113 is more than 100. So therefore, this number that I have here, that is 33.9, that is here, is going to be more of the whole of whatever I have here. That is what I'm looking for. Agree? So again, because it's not that clear, what do I have to do to this number in order to get to 100? What do I have to divide it by? Because I'm going downwards, it's going to be divided by. So then what we're going to do is use the same trick that we did before. We're going to go to 1%. This method is usually called the unitary method because you're going to the 1%. You're going to the unit, to the 1%. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to divide by 113. And then whatever I get here, I'm going to multiply by 100. So there are two steps. The first step is to divide by 113, and then I'm going to multiply to 100. So it's the same thing that I'm going to do here. I'm going to bring this one down by dividing by 113, and then I'm going to bring it up by multiplying by 100. So with your calculator, girls, I'm going to do 33.9 or 33 and 9/10 divided by 113 times 100. I'm not putting any enter. Everything goes in the same row, and I press enter, and I get that my answer is that the whole is equal to 30. So that's my answer. Okay, let's do another one here. This one was the one that we just did, and this one. Okay. Good. So it says, this is example 4. It says 9% of a number is 72. We have to find the whole, okay? So again, we're going to draw our double number line. Here is 0% in blue. Here's 0%. Here's 100%. And 9%, which is, I don't know, around here, is 72. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here 1%. And what I'm going to do is take this one, divide it by 9. That's my first step. And then, boom, multiply by 100. Same thing here. Divide by 9. And then multiply by 100. So in your calculator, if you do 72 divided by 9, which you know that is 8, times 100 is going to be 100. But let's use our calculator. So 72 divided by 9 times 100 Boom, 800. So that's our whole. Okay? Wonderful, girls.